Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is June the 6th. Yeah, June the 6th. I don't even know what today is. I never know when these are gonna go out, but I like to tell you when I'm filming so that you kind of get an idea how long the process takes to film something, edit something, and get it out to y'all. Sometimes they're held because of editing. Sometimes they're held because I'm doing a series. Sometimes they're held because I have no idea. I forget about them because I haven't done that before. So in this case, I am filming the last episode of my Reed Krackoff series. So this one is a collection video. Yes, it is. It's a collection video. This is my Reed Krackoff boxer bag video. And I have 4, so 3 or more is a collection, is considered a collection. So I have 4. Some people around here say I talk too much, so I'll try to speed it up a little bit, but I can only be me. I can only be Dee Dee Bean. That's it. Alrighty, so if you're in it for all of that and more, stay tuned. Okay, Bean Beauties, yes, we've come to an end now. It is the end of my Reed Krackoff series. I have 4, so I'm not going to go into too much depth on each bag. I did do an unboxing on each bag, so I'll need you to or implore you or beg you to go watch those videos and see. I'll try to link my Reed Krackoff playlist down below so that you can go and watch and catch up and binge on those if you have not done so yet. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. It helps push out my YouTube channel and all that fun stuff, okay? Okay, so here's the collection, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear off the table, and then we'll go one-on-one with each bag, just so that I can introduce them properly, and you'll have a clearer picture, okay? Ready, and go! Okay, Bean Beauties, I'm back. Alrighty, so we have a clean palette here, and we'll start off with this one. This is the first boxer bag, Reed Krackoff bag that I found and I purchased for my collection. It actually, y'all seem to like this one in the videos and in the shorts. It got quite a bit of views in both of them. Here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, here's the bottom. And I really like this one. The whole reason I fell in love with the Reed Krackoff, what I liked is this right here is I like the knot. I really like the knot. And so that is why I fell in love with the whole boxer bag to begin with. I'm not a real boxy kind of gal. Then once I got this one, I was like, oh, it was such an easy carry. This is a little bit weighty, but it was such an easy carry that I thought, oh, I have to look for another one. I do. So I went hunting and looking for another one. These right here do not have a crossbody on them. These are not made for crossbody carry. So this is a strictly top handle bag for this size on here. This little doohickey here is what the designer provides to keep the handles together and hopefully keep them. So here definitely is the boxer bag with the knot. It has the tag here, and here is what the tag looks like here, right there. Okay, it has, and all of these are similar, so I'll just go through this one, and then the other ones you'll know. It has a front pocket here, and this is all together to where you don't have to undo the straps, and then it comes with the back pocket here. Very nice bag. I liked a color block. I'm not really a color block gal, but this one caught my eye with the light red and the rose pink, and it has like a beige, but not like too brown, but a pretty beige. So that's this one. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So then I think the next one that I purchased in my arsenal, the next one I purchased, but it's not the next one that arrived because it traveled a long way. So this is the second one that I purchased. It was on Vestiaire Collective. So this was sold as a from the store Harvey Nichols, and it was sold as a new with tags, never been used. Now, however, this went to the seller, had to send it to Vestiaire Collective to their authenticators. Then the authenticators authenticated, they send you messages and they tell you the condition of it, they tell you whether it's authentic or not, and then they either cancel, they cancel if there's anything in question, then they ask you to confirm or cancel your order. So on this particular order, it came all the way from Lithuania. Did I know that when I was buying it? No, I just saw it, I liked it, the price was good, because I ordered out of the app. If you ordered out of the app the first time, you got like a 20 or 25% discount. I'm all about the discounts. Downloaded the app, ordered it, got discount. I also got a great price on it. So I was like, yay, winner, chicken dinner. After a while, I got a notice from Vestiaire Collective and said that your item has left Lithuania and is on its way to us. We will keep you updated. And I was like, Lithuania? So I was like, wow. So I was excited about that because this is definitely the furthest traveled bag to my house that I am aware of. And that's pretty cool. Isn't it cool to say, I got a bag from Lithuania? I mean, that is great. That is a great thing. It's like, it's in my collection. I love it. So I was worried because, you know, everybody's scents are a little bit different. Everybody uses different kinds of colognes. Everybody uses different kinds of perfumes. And so I was worried. I thought, oh, I wonder if it's going to have any kind of smells to it, you know, chemical smells or any kind of like incense smells or things like that, you know. So I was worried when it was on its way, but I said, you know what, it is what it is. We'll see. I can maybe work on it and do Winnie's chamber, cleaning chamber, smell chamber, and Caleb's little light thingy, zoomy thingy, and go from there. So it arrived. Before it arrived, I'm sorry, it did come, and Vestiaire Collective did say not as described, because it was described as brand new, not have been worn. Well, they pointed out two little spots, one right here and one back here in the back. It looks like it's a color transfer right there. They said that for them it was obvious wear. To me, this little dot right there, it's the buckle that as it got stored or mailed, that it left an indentation. So I was fine with that. And back here is color transfer. It's in the back, and I was fine. So they did say that it was not as described, but the bag was in excellent condition. To please approve the transaction or cancel the transaction. They recommended that you still buy it because it still was in excellent condition, minus those two little things, and it was worth the buy. So they said that yes, it's authentic, it was worth the buy, worth the price, and they would stand behind that and recommend that I buy it. If I didn't answer them with so many days, they would automatically cancel the shipment and send it back to the seller. So you need to make sure and keep eye on that, because things that may not bother you, where you would have normally said, okay, yeah, it would have gotten sent back, you know. So I was like, yeah, send it, please send it. So I fell in love with this baby. Here is the tab right here on there. And on the minis do have a crossbody, and the crossbody is on the sides, and it is a detachable right here. It has the little peg there, and it is adjustable. So that was a win-win. You know me, I'm a mini girl, love it. And it also comes with the strap attachment as well. Okay, so that's bag number 2. Dun, 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 dun. Fell in love with this one. I said this would be a perfect travel bag, a perfect cruise bag, a perfect bag if we ever go to Hawaii again, we go to the tropics again. Perfect bag. So I found this one, loved it, fell in love with it. Yes, I did. I got this one. And it came in, and I love it. You know, here's a tag right here. And here's the other side of the tag right there. And it also too is a crossbody. Love this little bag. Problem with this little bag is this one. The other one had no smells. This one, it has stinky pee smells. This one came from the Real. They didn't say anything about stinky smells, but it has stinky smells. And I did buy that light chamber thing to take the smells out of it, but it's not working. So I'm going to have to buy another one. I bought it from Amazon, but I'm going to have to get another one. I don't know why. And it was too late. I was too late to return it. So I'm like, bummer. But I'm going to get some charcoal packs, you know, do the whole stink, the Winnie B stink chamber eliminator, do that, do the light, the Caleb Snail light, and work from there. So, but I'm going to work really, really hard to try and get the smell out and use this. If not, I have no idea. I have no idea. That was the next one that was purchased. The next item that I purchased was this one. And it beautiful, the beautiful pink. Loved it. It does also have the attachment here. Here is the tag. Right there. It says Reed. This is the not Reed, but is Reed bag. This, because it says just Reed and it doesn't say Reed Krackoff like the other ones, this is a bag from Kohl's. So this right here, because it was made for Kohl's and it was made for the masses, this does have a crossbody on here. So here is the crossbody hand, and so I definitely like that. It also has the signature little handle that you put together, and this, because all of the other ones are just open top, this one has the little flap here that's magnetic that gives you just a little bit of, hold on, there we go, it gives you just a little bit of security there as far as closing the bag together. But I, once again, fell in love with the color. The color is what does it for me, usually the first thing, you know, and so I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it, the fact that this is a Kohl's bag, because I thought, well, you know what? It's good for my collection. It is good for my collection. Now, that's 4 bags. Here, in my, you know, you're seeing my collection of bags that was on the table, and silly Dee Dee, I completely forgot one. I did. So if you hold on just a minute, let me go see if I can find it, dig it out. Where did I put it? I don't know. So it'll be a little while. Maybe it'll be today. Maybe it'll be tomorrow. I don't know. But I'll be back as soon as I can. Okay, how could I forget this bag? It actually, because I did have to get help to help me put the bag room together, and I had her put the bags up for me, and so this was categorized in a wrong area, which is fine. It's just that's why it was lost. That's why it was lost. I was going, I know I have it. So this is the bag that I bought with no money. Do y'all remember that video? The bag that I bought with no money, 0 money, in fact, a negative bank account. So between Afterpay and my bank, they allowed me to buy it. What? Are they crazy? Are they crazy? So I go into the Real, and sure enough, I bought it. I bought this bag with no money. How the heck did that happen? So the purse fairies brought me this bag, and so because I got this bag, it was a little bit more than the other bags. She is wool here and snake skin here, and she is authentic snake skin. Ta-da. So because it's an exotic, I'm kind of into exotics right now, both real and embossed. When this came to me, I felt like I couldn't keep a bag. I felt like I needed to pass one on, because that would put the collection into 5. Give me 5, and it gave me 3 big bags and 2 little bags, and I was like, I really don't need 3 bags, because these are a little bit on the hefty side, you know, on the hefty side. So this one, I could see myself using all year long. But this is the one, how could I forget this one? But this one was in the original pictures, but you know what? We're gonna put them all together again, and we'll do another collection video picture, okay? Here we go. Okay, so I have 5. Since I did say that when I got this one, I was like, okay, I wasn't planning on it, and I felt bad. I felt bad, and so I really felt like I needed one to go. I may pick up another one. I'm still looking, and I may pick up another regular size one, maybe, or maybe another mini. I don't know. I am trying to move one on. Well, I am going to move one on, because after this video, I'm going to pack it up, clean it up, wipe it down, leather condition it, so it can make its trek all the way to where that creator's at. Yes. So if you want to know, you've got to come back to and keep an eye out for my collab video. So you'll know when you'll know, but to keep an eye out, and then on that video you can tell me whether or not your prediction was correct, okay? Because I won't tell you on here in these comments. I will go check the comments, but I won't be telling you whether you're correct or not. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming to see my Reed Krackoff collection video. I have 5 bags currently in my collection. One will sadly be leaving, but I've enjoyed opening and handling all of them and playing with all of them and calling them my own for a little while, and then finding a place here for a little while. I am trying to be really better with curating my collection. I'm trying to be a lot more conscious about what I'm doing, because now I'm at a place to where I have plenty to choose from. So in doing that, I'm able to see which ones I'm drawn more to without being too attached to them. Because you know how I am. You know how I am. You know how I am. Totally too attached to my bags. But if you ever happen to get one of my bags, if I ever get to the situation where I do decide to sell any of them, you know that they were well loved being in my collection. So there you go. All right, Bean Beauties. Love y'all so much. Bye-bye.